everyone. Now this is the part 2. This is the part 2 of the chapter number past tense. Now today I am going to explain you the past perfect tense and the past perfect continuous tense. So here this is given in your page number 83. What is the past perfect tense? So the explaining the sentences in a past perfect tense, the helping verb that we are using is the had. Whenever we are using the perfect tense, whether it's a present, whether it's a past or the future, in all the three type of the tenses, in the perfect tense, whenever we are explaining a sentence, the helping verb that we are using is in a third form. Right? Suppose go and gone, always you are using the third form. We की हम main verb की third form हम हमेशा use करेंगे. See the structure is there and single helping verb is there, so no need whether the subject is singular subject or the plural subject. Affirmative sentence. In the affirmative sentence, subject plus helping verb, main verb की third form plus object. He had gone to the school. Negative sentence, subject, helping verb plus not, main verb, third form plus object. They had, see here I use the plural subject over here. They had not gone to the school. See the interrogative, helping verb, subject, main verb, third form plus object. WH word, helping verb, subject, main verb, third form plus object. See the example, helping verb had they gone to the school. Where had they gone? Let's see the rule given in your book, that from where we are using the perfect tense. To describe an action in a page number 83, see, underline it. To describe an action that was completed before another action took place. कोई ऐसा काम जो कब complete होगा? जब हम describe an action that was completed, वो complete हो चुका रहेगा और उसके बाद ही दूसरा काम start होगा. That the girl had slept, उनके आने से पहले, grandfather आए नहीं हैं, उनके पहले ही the girl had slept. The grandfather returned from the market. वो सो चुकी थी. In a Hindi the meaning could be the चुकी थी. वो सो चुकी थी जब grandfather जो है market से वापस लौटे. Next is as the part form of the present perfect. Past form of the present perfect, especially in indirect speech. Generally, whenever the simple present tense or the past tense we are changing in an indirect one, then we are using the past perfect tense. See the example. Rita said, I have prepared pudding. In the indirect one, Rita said that she had prepared pudding. Last rule is that to report a completed action in the past. Again the same. Ajay told me, in the indirect one, remember that. Ajay told me that he had won a prize. Now, this is all for the perfect, past perfect tense. Now, let's see the past perfect continuous tense. In the past perfect continuous tense, the helping verb that we are using is had, plus been plus main verb first form plus ing. Right? Helping verb plus main verb first form plus ing plus object. See, so the example could be here that he had been going to the school. See, subject we are taken, then the helping verb, then word being. Whenever we are putting the ing form, the main verb is in a first form. So go plus ing, going, and then the object is there. In the negative sentence again, the helping verb plus not plus main verb first form plus ing plus object. Here also the first form plus ing, first form plus ing plus object, and then the question mark. Then here again also it will be that the first form plus ing plus question mark. See, then in the negative sentence it could be they had not been going to the school. Then in the interrogative sentence, had they been going to the school, like this. See the rules given in page number 84 in your book. To show an action that had been going on before another past action. See the example. The girl had been trying to make the model of a volcano before the teacher helped him. कोई ऐसा काम to show an action that had been going on, वो चलता रहेगा कभी past में और उसी समय before another past action, जब तक वो तब तक चलता रहेगा जब तक कोई और दूसरा action वहाँ पर नहीं हो जाता. सीधा एग्जाम्पल कि वो गर्ल जो है वो मॉडल बनाने के लिए ट्राई कर रही थी, करती रह रही थी, कब तक, जब तक टीचर ने उसकी हेल्प नहीं की. सो द टू एक्शन इज देयर एंड बिफोर द हेल्प ऑफ द टीचर ऑल्सो दैट गर्ल वाज ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूअसली ट्राइंग टू मेक द मॉडल, right? So this can be explained in a past perfect continuous tense. Second rule is that to show an action that was recently completed. For the recently completed, we are use the perfect tense, present perfect tense. But if the time duration is little, बहुत just अभी नहीं खत्म हुआ, उससे और थोड़ी देर पहले खत्म हुआ है, just अभी खत्म हुआ है, then we are explaining it in a प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. जस्ट अभी खत्म हुआ है, लेकिन अगर उसके पहले का है और अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही खत्म हुआ है तो हम उसके लिए यूज करेंगे दैट द पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. दैट द तेंदुलकर हैड बीन प्लेइंग फॉर 2 hours बिफोर ही वाज रन आउट. नाउ दिस इज ऑल फॉर दिस चैप्टर.